from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock applications on your iPhone, so maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, so someone can't gain access to those. So we want to go to shortcuts. Now this could be on your device already, or you have to go to the Apple Store and download it, but I believe it comes default installed. So let's go to shortcuts right now. Go to shortcuts in the bottom left. Go to the plus icon top right. Click this. And then we want to go to search and type in lock. And then go to lock screen right here. And then go to done. Then scroll up. And we should see lock screen under here. Perfect. Let's go to automation. Go to the plus icon. And then type in app. Then choose app. And it says choose the app on the top. Let's choose an app. Let's type in Instagram. So here's Instagram. And then we can do Facebook as well. So let's do Facebook now. Facebook. And then go to done. So we have those two applications chosen. When it's opened, so let's do that. And then go to run immediately. Then go to next. Then we have to choose an action of what happens when it opens. So we want to go to my shortcuts and go to lock screen. Now, when I open up those two applications, it's going to go to the lock screen. So let's go down. Here's Facebook. Let's open this up, and it goes immediately to my lock screen where I need to use my Face ID or my passcode to unlock the use for that app.